Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat messages updating. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now here you will find all the apps you have on your phone. Click on Snapchat and then click on the notifications management. Right here you will find the notifications page. All what you want to do is go to this option here and disable all the notifications. Go back, and now all what you want to do next is very simple. Click on force stop and then click on force stop right here. After that, click on the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. That's it guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.